Okay, so I am now logged in as a student. Um, this is just a generic student, and you can see that this generic student has a couple of classes. He's in the Tinkercad summer program, and it looks like he was invited to Mr. Crashwell's class. But the thing that you need to care about is that he was also invited to my wonderful demo class that the Vols teacher set up. Because the Vols teacher invited this student, all the student has to do now is click join. And now the student is in this class. All right, and he sees the open-ended prompt and demo lesson 1. Now, I want to just bring you back here for a second, because if you didn't send an invite and you just want to use the join code, right up here next to the username is a plus sign. They tap that, and then they punch in the join code, which you can get from the Students tab on your Google Classroom. So those are the two ways to get in. Okay, so now if we open up this first assignment, demo lesson 1, the directions are, what do you think about X? Please attach your work to this assignment. If they've already made something in Google Docs, they can click Add, go to Google Drive, and they can select whatever it is they want to add. If they didn't, they can go to Create, Docs, and now Google Classroom will create for them a document with the name of the lesson, demo lesson 1, and the student's name. In this case, it's Vol student. When the student is done, they simply click Turn In. They click on this to open up the assignment. Okay, there it is, demo lesson 1. Now, they type, oops, sorry guys. I am doing awesome work, exclamation point. They can then turn it in right from here. And that pops them back in Classroom, and it shows them that their work can be turned in. Now, when they do turn in their work, they'll no longer be able to edit it or change it. Now they have it as view only. So if they turn it in and then they're unhappy, they can unsubmit their work here and then turn it back in when they're done. So nothing is messed up forever there. In this open-ended prompt here, the copy of the assignment is already attached to the work, if it loads. So open-ended prompt, Vol student, they can open this up, and there are my directions and prompt. That makes it even easier for the student. They don't have to create anything. It's right there for them. Right? And that's more or less how Google Classroom works. If you have questions, don't hesitate to shoot me an email. I'm happy to help.